Mmhmm. Trinidad and Tobago will be celebrating its 57th year of independence, and I wanted to do something a little different in this episode to see if I could do a dish using the colors of the national flag, but of course without using any food coloring. So this recipe is a black bean patty on cream mashed potatoes topped with a tomato and pimento salsa. To make the black bean patties, mash 1 tin of black beans with a potato masher or fork. Add onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, dark soy sauce, and combine well. Grease your palms like if you're committing white collar crime, then form the black bean mixture into patties and set aside. Moving on to the salsa, there's a very straightforward process. Dice the tomatoes, chop the pimentos finely, and season with salt and black pepper. And add a few dashes of red wine vinegar and toss, and that's it, simple. For the mashed potatoes, you want to cut the potatoes into small cubes so they cook faster. You want to boil this in salted water until tender. While the potato is boiling, let's make the sauce for the patties. To a bowl, add some tomato paste, paprika, black pepper, soy sauce, honey, and combine well. You want to fry your patties in a skillet or a frying pan for about 3 minutes on each side. Then brush with the sauce and allow to cook for 2 minutes on each side on medium heat. Add the boiled potatoes to a bowl and season with garlic powder. You want to add some milk and combine until smooth. Now, to plate up the components to create this patriotic dish. I'm using a grey plate because the mashed potatoes would be the bed for our patty, and I definitely want to use something that would contrast against the mash. I'm using a cookie cutter mold to form the mashed potato bed. Then carefully placing the patty on top. Now for the last layer, our tomato salsa. Clearly I need steadier hands as I repeatedly made a mess of this step. No worries though, I cleaned it up and finished off the presentation with a dusting of paprika. Now I'm not going to lie to you and say this is the best tasting thing I ever made. Now don't get me wrong, it didn't taste bad, but it just wasn't amazing like some of the other recipes I've made on this show. You could go right ahead and do a meat version of this using black pudding or add your own twist to this version. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and give it a share. And if you do try it, post your pictures to Instagram and Facebook and don't forget to tag us. The full recipe is on eatahfoodtt.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.